A very special good morning to all of you. Today, my next student is Nitin Kumar. So I will call him. Then I will talk in English. And it's a very good student. Please come, Nitin. And please, everyone, big clap for Nitin. First of all, how are you, Nitin?
I am fine, sir.
Okay. How's your life going on?
My life is going on best.
And how do you find this class?
Class is best.
Class is best. Okay. So which class do you read in?
I read class 12th
You read in class 10. Which school?
in Fluent college.
Okay. Very good. That's so. What time did you get up early today? Morning time?
I got up early in 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock morning time. And what did you time you sleep yesterday at night?
I sleep 10 o'clock at night.
Okay, very good. So tell me that how do you find spoken class?
My spoken class is good.
Good. Okay. So how many friends do you have?
I have many friends.
You have many friends. So tell me that how many which your favorite sport? I think play kabaddi, anything, cricket.
My favorite is cricket.
Cricket. Do you like cricket?
Yes, sir, I like cricket.
Can you tell me that how many players in cricket?
There are 11 players in cricket.
There are 11 players in cricket.
Yes.
And do you play cricket?
Yeah, I play cricket.
Okay. Which your favorite game?
Cricket.
Cricket. Only cricket. You don't like kabaddi?
I like kabaddi, but no interest.
How many players in kabaddi? Can you tell me?
There are 7 players in kabaddi.
There are 7 players in kabaddi.
Yes.
Okay. So you are in class 12th.
Yes.
So which is very favorite subject? You.
My favorite subject is math.
My favorite subject is math. Who teaches you math?
In coaching, Mr. Pons.
Mr. Pawan sir. How's the way of Pawan sir teaching? How do you find Pawan sir when he teaches you mathematics subject?
Pons is very best teacher and it teaches very well.
Who teaches you? I think physics subject.
Mr. Irfan sir teaches very well.
And who teaches you? I think chemistry.
Chemistry Mr. Ashish sir teaches very well.
Okay. Ashish sir, clear your doubts clearly or not?
All the doubts are clear.
Okay. Okay. So how many students in your class?
Approximate 50 students.
Approximately 50 students in your class.
Yes.
So okay, tell me that. Can you tell me that what's your coaching name?
Lunch classes.
Lunch classes. Where it is situated?
It is situated Samsargan.
Shamshergan. Do you like Shamshergan?
Yeah, I like it.
Can you tell me your place name?
My business terms for plant.
How many kilometers are you home from this coaching?
Approximate 1 kilometer.
Approximate 1 kilometer. How do you come to coaching?
I am come to ride bike.
Ride bike. Okay. Do you know how to ride bike?
Yeah, I know to ride bike.
Can you tell me that which bike in this time you have?
I have Splendor. Here.
Splendor. What's the average of it? Can you something determine something?
He gives average approximate 60 kilometers per hour.
60 per hour. Okay. Very good. So tell me that it again that how many friends do you have?
I have many friends.
I have any friends is present here.
Mr. Aman.
Mr. Aman Saifi.
Yes.
He is good friend.
Yes.
Tell me any good quality of your Aman Saifi is sitting here. So tell me any good quality.
Aman daily call me and talk to English.
Talk to English. Okay. So how many minutes you practice for speaking English at home?
Approximate 30 minutes
Approximate 30 minutes you speak English per day.
per day.
And sometime you call that Ashish sir, chemistry teacher. You don't call him to talk to him English.
No.
Okay. So tell me that how do you find Asad?
Other is very lazy boy.
Lazy boy. Lazy boy.
It's sleep more.
Okay. Okay. Very good. So tell me that what time did you sleep yesterday at night?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. So I think your exam about to come just 24 February.
Yes.
I think start your exam. So how's your preparation?
My present best.
Okay. So in which subject you study so much at home?
Only math.
Only math subject you study so much. And other subject?
Study but no more.
No more. Only that I think math.
I focus on math.
Only because your weak subject.
Yes, I will.
How many members in your family?
There are 5 members in our family.
There are 5 members in your family. So what does your father do?
My father is fruit seller.
Food seller. Okay. So do you help your father?
Yes, right.
Okay. What does your mother do?
My mother is housewife.
Here is present only one student also that Ahmad. I think Waqar Ahmad.
Yes.
So how do you find Waqar Ahmad? Tell me that he always when you naughty boy when you were in class he always misbehave a person. But tell me any good quality. He also studying good. So tell me how do you find that Mr. Waqar Ahmad?
Mr. Wakar Ahmed is good. As the class one student, then laughing all students.
Okay. That's I know because when anyone started to laugh, then you will start to laugh. Very good. So tell me that what's your goal?
My goal is join army.
Join to army. Okay. So your goal is I think join to army. So how many hours you practice how many hour you I think study at home for like because your aim is want to become that army officer. So how many hour you practice you learn at home? How many hour?
In now time,
Yes.
I in class 12th.
Yes, I know.
Not prepared for army. Then
Yes.
after class 12th, then I prepared for army.
No, I am studying. I am only talking to you that. Please asking ma'am that because how many hour you study at home? 3 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour?
Approximately 3 hours.
Approximate. Okay. Do you feel like going to college or school? Do you feel like?
No.
Okay. I think you never go to school. Whenever I come to hear you only that here. So
Only
why do not go to school? Tell me any reason. Why do not go to school? Every time you present in class and only I think after that academic coaching classes you join every time, but you do not to school. I think you don't like going to school.
I feel not going to school.
You feel like going to not to school. Very good. So what time do you get up early today?
I get up only 6 o'clock.
So how do you find winter season? Because about to very come. So tell me, how do you find winter season?
Winter season is best in for me.
Your favorite season? Tell me your favorite season.
Winter season.
Winter season. Your favorite place?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Have you gone to Mumbai?
Yes, sir. I have 2 times gone.
2 times. With whom?
With maternal uncle.
Okay. Can you tell me which month you went there? Can you tell me?
I went in month of January.
In month of January. Which year? Can you tell me something?
1 year ago.
1 year ago. Okay. So every I think 2 times.
Yes.
Have you gone to Agra
No.
and any city? Like as
Lucknow.
Lucknow. How many times?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. You have gone many times, I think. So okay. With whom you went there?
For mother.
For with mother. Okay, with mother you went there. Okay, so tell me that with whom come to coaching? With whom you come to coaching?
Only.
Only. Can you speak English?
Yeah, I speak English.
And can you speak English 10 minutes?
Yes.
Okay, so how many minutes you practice for speaking English?
30 minutes.
30 minutes you practice?
Approximate, not fixed.
I think when you practice to yourself for speaking English, you practice I think for writing, for talking to each other, for in front of the mirror and for.
Front of mirror.
And can you call something that your friends to talk English anytime?
Aman.
Aman. How many times to call that Aman for talking to English?
2, 3 times.
2 or 3 times. And how many members in your family? Tell me.
There are 5 members. In our
There are 5 members in your family. So how do you find your village?
My village is very best.
Tell me again your village name. I don't know.
Chamarpur Suklan.
Chamrapur Suklan. How do you find your village?
My village is very best for all people to join one to other.
One-
And my
Achha.
village is very greeny and needy people help them all villages.
Yeah, it's very good quality because if any person is poor, in person, needy person, then help. Then it's very good atmosphere there. And how do the situation of your in village? How do your situation of studying? Because in this time, study is very important for everyone. So tell me that what the condition of your village that for studying?
My village condition is very bad. Then only me then prepare on study, but not all students for study. Only join
Okay, and
government college.
government college.
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell me that how many person? I think how many people in your village?
Approximate 200.
200. So tell me that how do you find this class for speaking English? Tell me something.
Class is very best.
Okay, so how do you find talking to me because your first day talking to me in English that is in front of everyone. So how do you find?
Very good.
What is the experience today because you are talking to? So what's experience? Are you feeling nervous?
No, sir.
Okay, do you have any hesitation?
No.
Very
I
good.
am feeling happy.
Very happy because it's very good time for talking to you. That's very good. Thank you for talking to me and every time it's very good for talking to you. So if you give any message, everyone, any message for any proverbs, any message. Do you like so much his proverbs? Can you tell me any message? Yes, give your message.
No pain, no gain.
Very good. This mean is yes. Tell me.
बिना कैसे किया आप सफल नहीं होंगे.
Very
अगर
good.
आपका सफलता पानी है तो कैसे का सामना करना पड़ेगा.
Very good. Thanks for talking. Please big clap for that, Mr. Nitin. Okay, you can go. Thanks. Very good. Thank you. Because अभी इन्होंने एक लाइन बोली है कर दिया.